In this video, let's see what data preprocessing is all about. So what do we mean by data? Data is just a number which has some kind of unit associated with it. Then preprocessing. Preprocessing is doing something before making or doing the actual process. Suppose my actual process is to wash a utensil. So I'll wear a glove before that. That is my preprocessing step. Okay. Let's see how data preprocessing is done. There are three main ways: data cleaning, data transformation, and data reduction. Let's see what data cleaning is with the help of vada pav, our favorite Indian burger. Okay. So I use potatoes to make a vada pav. Suppose my vada pav ka potatoes are rotten. Then my vada pav will go bad and no one will eat it. Okay, I will have no sales. So before making a vada pav, I have to ensure that my vada pav ka potatoes are good, so that everyone can enjoy my vada pav. Okay, so that is data cleaning. I have to clean my potatoes before actually making the vada pav. In the same way, before taking the process ahead with the data, I have to clean my data. Then transformation. What we do is, for making the potatoes edible, we don't put the potato as a whole, one round spherical potato. That is not how vada pav is made. We mash it completely so that that is edible. That is data transformation. A potato is spherical as a whole, but we mash it to make it and suit our requirements. That is transformation. And data reduction. Suppose if I put a lot of spices into my vada pav, what will happen is it will be so spicy that no one will be able to eat it. So it will lose all of its sense of taste and it will not be edible, and therefore it will not be of any value. Okay. So we have to put and reduce the data which we have so that it imparts us value in the same way that we control the spices in our vada pav. Okay. So that is all about data pre-processing. I'll cover the entire thing thoroughly in the next videos. So stay tuned, like our video, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.